TV. So welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to play, this style called Igisirimba, But today I'm not gonna teach you how to play bass, but I want you guys to know how to play what we call ACMP, accompaniment, So for the beginners, there is some easy steps to start playing this style. So before I start, I'm gonna tell you the voice I'm gonna use. I have just Chords, for my left hand, my right hand, and left hand is the same. So that's the voice we're gonna use. Only that's voice, So to start playing this style, so you have to start from slow beat for the beginners. So let me show you how you can play it. That's very simple and easy chords. So let's break it down, So as I told you guys, to play Gisirimba, we have to understand these chords, 1, 4, 1, and 5. This is the C sharp 7. So that's we use instead of playing this 5, we play C sharp 7, and for this progression, we play like this. We play 4, 5. This is the 4, 5. Sorry, 4, 1, 1. So this is the inversion of 1. The first inversion, second, all third. This is the first, second, third. This is the first inversion of F sharp. This is the third inversion. So, and we play C sharp minor. We go to 4, and then we go to 5, 4, 1. Let's start from there. So, and you try to go fast, because in Gisirimba we usually play in some speed, speed chords. Very simple, 4, 1, 1, and you go to C sharp minor, and you go to 4, 5. For my left hand, I play like this, This is the, okay, I'm zoom out. So, yes, I think now you can see my left hand, we play like this. We play tan, tan. Also you can play this 4 inversion. And we go to 5 and we go back to 1, So let me explain this melodies. Now I play. We go to 5, 6, 7, and we reverse it. 6, 5, 4, 3. You can start from slow. And you can try in beat, put some beat and beat you have, so, and try it hard. To learn from this video. So let's see you in the next video. So if you're the new, or please make sure that you subscribe. Let's see in the next video.